Phil here with Bigfoot Video. So in today's video we're going to get this vinyl removed around this window, and then we're going to get the old window out of here, and then I'll probably have to call it for the day after that. So I'm going to get this ripped out and start getting ready to start framing out the rough opening and putting in a brand new window, and we'll be back in the room again. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe, and enjoy the video. As soon as the video's over, go check out some of the other content. Here we go.